In this video, I will show you step by step how to make caption animations on CapCut. So the first thing to do after you open up the CapCut like this, now here is my caption. So I'll just go and highlight all the caption. After you highlight all the captions, the next thing to do, you go to this option. Under this option, then you go to animation. After you go to the animation, so here it will give you different animation style for your caption. So this is in style. So if you want to choose the in style for your caption, so I'll just say I'll choose this one. If you select any one of them as can see now, it will just give you the free view of how your caption will appear when it comes in. So let's
The
play.
American
As can see now, it will just appear like this,
Express Platinum card is one of the most
and here is the style. So if you don't want this one, you can go and change it. And the next one, if you want, you can choose the out style. So for the out, you can choose the one that you want to use. Let's say when the caption finishes, how it will just go out. If I select this one,
well-known
let's play and see. So you can go ahead now and choose the one that you want to use. But if you don't want all this one, you can go back and remove this one. Go back and remove this one as well. So you can go to this where it says loop or caption. So I'll advise you to go to this caption. So if you go to this caption here, it will give you all style for the caption. These are all animation that made only for the caption to be professional. So you can just scroll to down and choose this one. Let's say you want something like this typewriter, or this one, or this one. So you can choose anyone among this. Let's say I want to use this one.
is one of the most well-known
So as you can see now, there's how my caption would just be appeared word by word. If I play,
premium credit cards on the market. And if you're someone who values
so as you
travel
can see now,
perks and luxury,
so you can go ahead now and choose among this caption. I would advise you to go to the caption. After you go to the caption, so now you select the style animation you want to use for your caption. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.